Hello, it's Tech Week Europe here at CeBIT 2015, now joined by Dr. Stefan Ried, who is the CTO of a company called Unify. Now, Unify are here in Hall 13 showcasing one of their latest products, a product called Circuit, which is a cloud communication and collaboration platform that is kind of similar to Skype, but as I hope that Stefan Ried will explain to me, it's actually a lot different. So, hi Stefan, how's it going?
Hi Ben, how are you? So I think it's very important to really get the big idea of what we put here in a public cloud service. We realized that people burn a lot of power in their brain about putting things in context. And this is not just the communication on the various channels, it's also the collaboration that you have around documents, for example, and the context of all your transactions, right? Your ERP systems, your business transactions, whatever you have, right? So that was the intention of we call the new way to work. The new way to work is to bring all that into one context. We call this context and conversation. So conversation basically brings the communication part with the people, the collaboration part, could be with documents, together with the third part, with the open integration environment for business applications of all kinds. And that's what really makes up Circuit. Circuit is an environment where you can absolutely frictionless interact with people. You can jump back and forth. You can look at a stream of a conversation. You can turn this into a audio or video conference instantaneously. Right? So no plugin, just a browser or the mobile apps on Android, on iOS. And at the same time, you can do things like co-editing, for example. What we announced actually yesterday here on CeBIT, that we partner with Open Exchange to co-edit, for example, Microsoft Office documents, right? So native documents, but real-time. It feels a little bit like a Google document, real-time within the framework of a conversation of Circuit. And that's pretty cool because it's far beyond what you were used to with a unified communication. Still, of course, we do interface that very well with our unified communication, with our OpenScape voice environments, and all the existing legacy of IP and legacy telephony, but also with all these new cloud services. So you can mesh things together, right? You bring things in context. You can turn a conversation into your focal point of how you do your work.
Okay, so you think this contextual style of communication and collaboration, that's the future for this kind of product? And what do you think we're going to see over the next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, over the next couple of years, definitely. First of all, we need to get more traction. We see already good traction. Circuit is generally available since October. We run an agile development behind this with a couple of Scrum teams that drop new functionality every 2 weeks. And maybe not every Scrum sprint makes it to the production, but at least in the range of every month, you see significant new functionality there. We open it up to an ecosystem. So similar what people are used to with let's say, Salesforce.com, with the CRM application and the wide ecosystem of add-ons. We do the same, right? We open up a Circuit to be a platform for other people to plug in, to put their business logic in, to put their connectivity in to whatever documents they have, document management systems or business applications. At the same time, we offer other people, especially developers, because they just made available developer community, we offer them to use our real-time communication in pieces. So if you have a own mobile app, or if you have even an old legacy type of app, and you want to have a pretty cool call me back video conference button right in your old application, it's a matter of a very simple API call to include it there.
Thank you very much, Stefan. It's very exciting actually, and we can definitely see here that in the future the world is really opening to developers. Thank you for watching. We've been Tech Week Europe.